Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 11, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column H, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th row, column A, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. First row and second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column A, we have pair numbers 2, 5, 8. So 2, 5, 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. 7th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 8th row, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 7. Column D, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, column D, 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, first row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row and 8th row, we have 2. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 7 also here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth row, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. First row, third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 6. Third row and fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. First grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column A, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A and 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 3, 4. Third row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 9th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third grade, second row, third row, we have only one number is remaining, 2 and 7. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grade, column G and 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.